students, myself Aresh Jha from Department of BSc IT KS College Saraikela. Today we are going to cover the topic BSc IT SEM third, that is of paper BITC12, that is data communication and networking. And in this topic today we are going to cover what is guided and unguided media and its type. So student, as you can understand from the name, guided media means in which the passage of signal is predefined. Guided media means that is in which signals are transferred through wired medium, whereas unguided media means where signal transmission path is not predefined, and in unguided media wireless communication is the main example. So what is guided media? First we are going to study what is signal. The computer and other communicating devices represent data in the form of signals. All the data in the computer and other communicating devices are transferred in the form of signals. The signals transmit between communicating devices in the form of electromagnetic energy, that is, which has electric as well as magnetic energy, and hence the signals are called electromagnetic signals. Electromagnetic signals are the combination of electric and magnetic fields. The electromagnetic signals can travel through various transmission media. These transmission media are called guided and unguided media. So, what is guided media? Guided transmission media are commonly known as wired communication. The electromagnetic signals travel between the communicating devices through a physical medium or conductor, such as wires, or other example is twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, etc. As the medium for transmission is a physical conductor or wire, it also provides direction to the signal. Hence, in guided media, there is a predefined direction for the signals to travel. But there are physical limitations of the conductor in the guided media, like the length of the conductor, its installation cost, its maintenance, etc. Next, we are going to study the types of guided media. The guided media is classified into three different types, that is twisted pair cable, second is coaxial cable, and third is fiber optic cable. Now what is twisted pair cable? In twisted pair cable, the wires are twisted in a certain manner. So the twisted pair cable has two conductor wires wound around each other and is surrounded by an insulating material. The twisted pair cable is flexible and easy to install, but it has low bandwidth. That is, low bandwidth means the signal strength is limited and provide less protection from interference. Twisted pair cable are also of two types, that is shielded and unshielded twisted pair cable. As you can see in the picture, this is the example of or picture of twisted pair cable. As you can see, the wires are twisted here and it is covered with copper wire. Second is coaxial cable. The coaxial cable has a central core conductor which is usually made up of copper enclosed in an insulating sheath which is further encased in an outer metallic braid. It serves as both protection against noise and as a second conductor which completes the circuit. Now, the outer metallic covering is also covered by an insulating sheath. The coaxial cable carries signals of higher frequency than the twisted pair cable. As you can see in the picture, this is the picture of twisted pair cable which has an outer covering, that is outside insulation. Then there is a covering of copper mesh. Then there is another insulation. Then inside that there is a copper wire. Now the third one is optical fiber cable. Optical fiber is made of glass or plastic and it transmits signals in the form of light. The optical fiber is noise resistant, has less signal attenuation and has a higher bandwidth in comparison to twisted pair and coaxial cable. But it also has some drawbacks, like it is very expensive, it requires a lot of installation and maintenance charge is also high, as any defect in the cable can diffuse light and change the signals. As the optical fiber is made of glass, it is very fragile also. Now the second type of media is unguided media. As I have already told you, unguided media means where signal traveling path is not predefined. That is, this type of media means wireless media. So the unguided media is also called wireless communication. It does not require any physical medium to transmit electromagnetic signals. In unguided media, the electromagnetic signals are broadcasted through air to everyone. The unguided media is also called unbounded media. Now, there are also different types of unguided media, such as radio waves. Radio waves are low frequency signal and it can travel a long distance. Second is microwaves. The microwaves are transmitted in a straight line and hence requires the line of sight transmission. The distance covered by the microwave signal depend on the height of the antennas. More taller the antennas, longer is the distance covered by the signal. The microwave has a frequency higher than radio waves. Microwave communication are used mainly in telephonic communication such as mobile phones or in television network distribution signal, etc. Third one is infrared waves. Infrared waves are used for short range of communication, that is, where the communication or transfer of signal length is very small, then in that case infrared waves are used, like the remote control for televisions, VCR, etc. uses infrared waves. It cannot penetrate through obstacles. So that's it for today, students. Hope you have learnt about guided and unguided media. If you have any doubt and question, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you.